YouTube channel, Python Tutorials. My name is Srinivas. In this session, I am going to discuss about a Python program. Program is to generate OTP, to generate 6 digits OTP. 6 digits OTP. Already you know what is OTP. One-time password. OTP means OTP stands for one-time password. One-time password. Already generate the OTP in different ways. But now in Python, like a program to generate the OTP. In this program, we are using the random module. Random is a inbuilt module. First, to import the inbuilt module, random. To import the inbuilt module, the module is import the module. OTP stands for one-time password. Import random. Random is a built-in module. This module is used to generate the random numbers or choices or simple the numbers, any number of it. This module contains the number of inbuilt functions. Now we are using to generate a 6-digit OTP for generate the to generate the looping, to execute the loop, to repeat the loop in 6 times. I in range of 1, 7. That means to execute this loop in 6 times. Okay. Now the print of random dot rand int of any value 0 to 9 and to print the random number. Here to print the random value. Now here to print the random value of 0 to 9 numbers. Now for this loop is executed. I value is first time is 1. Here the I value is the first I value is 1. Okay, I value is 1. So now to this loop is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The range function, this function does the 1 to 6. Now the first I value is equal to 1. Okay, now print of rand int of 0 to 9. In between the 0 to 9, any one number, it is any one number. I assume that, for example, the assume number equal to 7. Again, after executing, the control goes to back. Next time I value equal to 2. Now the I value equal to 2. And execute this statement. Random number, rand integer, any number. In between the 0 to 9, return the any number that is equal. For example, assuming that we want to return the value 2. And the next time, the control goes to back for loop and takes I value equal to 3. Now the I value equal to 3. So now the and return the one number in between the 0 to 9, for example, 1. Again, completing, go to back. Now the next one is equal to, for example, I value equal to 4. Clear. Return the any one number between the 0 to 9. That will be, for example, 0 to 9 number equal to, for example, 5. Again, next one, go to back, and the next time the I value equal to 5. Okay, clear. Now the execute any one number between the 0 to 9, for example, 0 to 9 number equal to 3. Again, go to back. Next time takes I value equal to 6. I value equal to 6. Okay, clear. Now execute this function. This function returns any one number, for example, that is equal to 4. Assume that only the 6-digit OTP is 72153. Return the 6-digit OTP. Clear, guys? I'm clear. Now again the go to, after completing, again go to back. I value is no more I values. No more values in the given range function. Now print the value. Now go to check this value and run the program, and now enter the no need of any numbers. Now these are the 6-digit OTP number 834141. Now we want to print the answer in only one line and equal to some space or more space. You want to one blank space. Now the return one blank space and again execute this one. Now the password is so and so. Now this is the OTP 07608. Now run this OTP. Again run the program. Again the OTP. Again run this program. Again this OTP. Now 406078. This is the one way. If you want to run this module in another way also, it is possible. Without for loop also, it is possible. Without for loop also. Import keyword. Import random. Okay. Print of random dot rand int of 0 to 9. Okay. Again repeat random dot rand int of 0 to 9. Same concept. We'll maintain the 6 times. We want to 6 times random dot rand int of 0 to 9. Okay. Random dot rand int of 0 to 9. Okay. Okay. We want to put one more time. Random dot rand int of 0 to 9. Okay. Random dot rand int of 0 to 9. So we want to print only 6-digit OTP and random. So this is a using only single statement without any loop. Without any loop. We are running the program without any loop, only single. Now this is a line continuation backslash is a line continuation. Either statement written in only one line or more than one line. Now the next one print 6-digit OTP is 6-digit OTP. OTP is, for example, okay. Now this is the result. File to that. Now run this module here. Random dot randint again import random where the error random r. Now the output is here random dot. Again run the module. 6-digit OTP is 019660. Run one more time. Now 6-digit OTP is 59505060. Again one more time. The same number cannot be repeated every time. Change the different word values. 445050. Okay, guys, up to here clear? If you want to display a OTP by using the Python programming language, apply this random module. In the random module, rand int is a built-in function. Guys, okay, guys, clear up to very much. Up to here. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.